What's going on, YouTube? Official Keith here. Today on Tech Tuesday we have another package opening, and again I am using my LG V60. I'm gonna open this up. Yeah, this is gonna be a little tough. I'm gonna open this up and then I'll be right back. Alright, so let's get this out of the package. Wow, that package is really beat up, folks. This is a PC camera, a mini packing. Wow, Windows XP Vista. Wow, okay. So let's see. Mini packing, PC camera. I guess these are the features on the back. Built-in image compression. Yeah, okay. Well, this is it. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Looks like it was opened up before they sent it. And this comes from Newegg, by the way. Newegg. There's no. Okay, there's a sheet of paper, the user guide, and that's it with the box. Oh, that's nice. That wasn't even sealed up. And this is it. Yeah, okay, hold on. Okay, folks, this is it. So, standard USB type A. And this looks actually to have a microphone. I hope this is the microphone on that side, because I believe that side will probably be just to show an LED, just to show that it's on. The quality of this, I wouldn't even say quality, really. I would probably just say qual. Because you can't get the rest of the Lakey with this. This is, but in all fairness, this is definitely a budget PC cam webcam. Currently, when I'm on Zoom meetings, I use my Canon camera just because I did not have a webcam. So hopefully this will do the job, so I can stop using my webcam, because sometimes the Zoom meetings can be kind of long, and I'm constantly having to switch out batteries. This is one of the reasons why I have multiple camera batteries. And for those of you, let me just go ahead and stop here and say this. For those of you that are considering getting a mirrorless camera, DSLR, the full thing, kit and caboodle, make sure you buy extra batteries. You're going to need at least 3 batteries. I have 3 batteries, and even that's not enough sometimes. So make sure you buy extra batteries when you buy a camera. But back to this. Hopefully this will work out. I'm almost sure that it will. I didn't need anything spectacular in the first place, and this, I believe it'll set on the monitor like this. Let's see, and just kind of hang like that. I don't know. The instructions are trash. Like they're literally trash. They don't tell you anything but the specs that were already on the back of the broke up box. But anyway, I just wanted to do this quick unpackaging of this webcam. This is not even, there's not even a name, there's not a brand name for this or anything. It's just a generic camera. Mini packing. Is mini packing the brand? Okay, YouTube, this is actually another day. So you saw the unboxing of that webcam, and I tried it. And it worked for one session on Zoom. Needless to say, it kept freezing every time, probably 2 to 3 minutes after the Zoom session started. So I thought maybe it was something with Zoom. So I tried the Google application, and it did the exact same thing. So we're gonna do another package opening, one-handed package opening. Oh, God. that to the side. And this is a stream webcam background replacement. Okay, we can see some information here. Dual stereo noise canceling mic. Oh, okay, that's something. Then you have precise white balance, background replacement. Okay, this is the automatic low light correction, large aperture, clear picture quality, wide angle view, no optical distortion. So just off of the packaging alone compared to the packaging of the other one that you've seen, this is automatically a winner. Again, this is just based off of the packaging. But let's go ahead and open this up. I normally use my other camera when I do these unboxings, whatever you want to call them. But I'm just using my phone camera today. Alright, so let's oh, it came with a cleaning cloth. I guess that's going to be for the lens. We'll set that aside. You can already see the camera, but what's on the... Okay, this is a user manual. Now compare this to that one oh, wait a minute, hold on. Was that what I thought it was? Wow, it's color, so they didn't spare the expense with this one. This is the user manual. I'll definitely take a look at that. But that other one came with that one sheeter, so. And then, of course, USB Type A. Let's go ahead and pull this out. And this is the camera right here. So, oh, you can manually adjust it? What? Okay. You can see where it says Full HD, 1080p, Vitade. I'm guessing Vitade is the name of the company. And then, yeah, it tells you manual focus. All right. Stuck right there. Turn it around the back. Let's see what it has. Okay, I guess that's the serial number. And then this is the clamp. Whoa. Hold on. Let's go back. You see that right there? It looks like a, oh wow, Phillips screw. So that other one had just a pin. It wasn't even a screw. So right off the bat, quality wise, this is winning well over that other one. And let me, I know this pulls out, or yeah, there it goes. So it pulls out here, has an extra lip right here. Wow, very considerate. Oh, and then you can see even more screws right there. But it has that extra lip. But one thing that I saw that the other one didn't have is this right here. So I could actually use my GorillaPod and just mount that up. Matter of fact, let me just go ahead and do that right now because I want to test it. I'm not going to test the camera, but I just want to test the mount. Alright, as you can see here, I have the camera mounted on my GorillaPod here, and it was a perfect mount. It's perfect. So I can use this either on the lip of my monitor, or I can use this, which I'm almost sure that I'm going to just probably end up using this for right now. But just the quality of this camera alone is well worth the upgrade from that mess that I had. But yeah, this is going to be something for sure. Hopefully I'll be able to record some samples of this camera. So if you're looking for a webcam but you don't have Logitech money, because let's just face it, Logitech is one of the top names when it comes to webcams, I'm thinking this one's going to work just well, or just fine. So as always, thanks for taking some time out to watch my videos. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Don't forget, if you subscribe to the channel, make sure you click on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. And until next time, this is Official Keith, and with this, you're actually official, and we will see you later.